You know what? Right now I'm trying all my level to be down. But for the real, you can't give me this. And hello, Busisiwe Mselegu, first dwarf of Musa Mselegu, Mamkulum. I'm dressed by Jones Edward. This is my time, this is my moment, this is my yeah, but
Hi everybody, Sanbula, and welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you're subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys, yesterday I posted that video where I was doing just a skitanyana. When I do those videos, it's just mainly to laugh, you guys. It's not even us being serious about what's going on the show. I do believe that laughter is good for us, and that is what we do on this channel. We try to make things fun and funny. We do get serious sometimes, but when we get an opportunity to laugh on this channel, we do that, okay? And we have watched Utano for such a long time, and we do know that we have these legendary moments where the cast members have said some things. And when it comes to Macele and English have a very interesting relationship, okay? And I can relate because I do have a very interesting relationship with English. I write it very, very well, but when it comes to speaking it, siyaxabana. So Umacele has these things that she had said, and other people have said because Umacele must stop speaking English. And I always say, no, 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 don't do that to us. Don't do that to us. Where are we going to get these moments if Macele doesn't speak English? So that's where the prr came from. Okay, it was from this clip from Michael because other people were asking, "Ukuthi, what is this spree that you guys are talking about?" It's just certain moments from the cast members, and this one was from Umaicele. That's why it was on that clip. Also, when it came to Umakumalo, if you notice, Umakumalo has this thing of talking about how she was raised as if she is shading the other wives to say, Guti, that's not how I was raised, but I guess other people were raised that way. So if you've been watching the show, you would pick up, Guti, that's what I was trying to say in that video. And also, Umangwabe recently, she has this thing of always mentioning the Kele family. She's not wrong about her saying, Guti, the Kele family has said this or whatever, but she just says it so many times. It's almost like she blames the Cele family for everything. And then we all know that Umayini this season, she's just laughing at everything. She's just laughing at everything. And then you get Umakwela, who's always about my man, my man, my man. I always feel like Umakwela is trying to convince us that she's happy, but she's not really. That's why in that video I was like smiling and laughing at the smiling and then crying at the same time. Yes. So it's just being funny, you guys, nothing serious. So for those that just did not understand that video, that's all that it was about. That's all that it was about. Nothing serious. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video and supporting this channel. Like the video before Pumagiona. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with a stranger. Watch out for the notification, you guys, because today we might go live. Uyabona-ke nami sengumacele ngithi we will be going live. Uyabona nje. We will be going live today. English is not our friend, guys. It abandons us when we need it the most. Has it ever abandoned you during an interview when you need a job? Yeah, English in general. Anyway, you guys, goodbye.